Hi guys, Nick again from Grayscale Gorilla. I am the Gorilla, and in this tutorial, this very short tutorial, this might be the shortest one yet. Well, I'm gonna show you a feature in version 14 of Cinema called ShiftC that I've been using a lot more. I want to show you how I use it and what the heck it does. So let's head on in, and I'll show you. So ShiftC does a search. It does a search in all of Cinema for any object or any button. Basically, you can click, it'll go find it. If you've ever used a search on your computer, in my case, you have Spotlight built in, but I also use Command Space to pull up this launch bar here, which allows me to launch applications and write emails. And if you ever use this kind of thing, you know what I'm talking about. But it also works with Spotlight, right? So what ShiftC is a searching tool, just like Spotlight is, but for Cinema itself. So what this means is if you're in Cinema and you say, you know, I want to pull up a cube, you can Shift-C and just type cube. And this will pop up. You hit enter and a cube pops up, right? And this works with everything. So let's try to build maybe a little scene here. Let's say we want this to be in a cloner. So you hit Shift-C, you type cloner, you spell it right correctly, and here it is. And this also works. Like, you know how you click Alt and you click an object and it'll automatically be a child of it? Well, you can do that here too. If I hit Alt and double click it, it'll open up the cloner with the cube that was selected as a child. This also works with random effectors. So let's say random, or any of the effectors. Let's add a random effector, and there it is. So now we have built this whole scene, and let's say we want a floor. We have built this whole scene using Shift-C, and now we can go in and make our tweaks and, you know, make it further apart and add rotation and do all this stuff, and it's pretty quick to find. It also works really well for things you almost never use. For me, cubes and cloners and random, I use almost in every project, but if you are looking for something like PSR, let's say, you could type that in, and you could say, look, reset PSR right there. Like little things, or even like the knife tool, which I had a hard time finding in the last tutorial I did. I could type that in and find it. So even obscure commands, everything will pop up, even plugins. So if you have, let's say, transform installed, and you type transform and hit enter, it will bring in transform ready to go. And so that's really cool. So anything in the plugin menu, it doesn't work with content browser yet. It doesn't look like it's finding anything in the content browser, but everywhere else, Shift-C is hopefully going to find you what you need inside of Cinema 4D. It's available in R14, and it's something I think I'll be playing around with. Anyway, thanks again for watching these little quick tutorials. We'll have some bigger ones soon, and thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.